Hey, this is Trail Rider 570. I initially said we're going to be changing out these wheels. Well, they finally made it here from China. So that will happen after this, after I get everything set up. Okay, we got the wheels and tires in. These are the tires. Look how sticky these are. Look at that. Isn't that crazy? I kind of pieced one together here. It's not fully 100% pieced together. I got to come up with an Allen wrench the size of that small little flipping screws. So rather leave them dead space. Let me get back with you after I get this done. If you can find the tool. guys, let me start out by saying these wheel weights will not work with these rims. So I didn't like from the get-go how they sit on there. So I would not waste your money buying these things and putting on a truck. I mean, even if you want to make it for rock crawling, but I would just do it other ways. I would find other ways to add brass to it and weighting the bottom in. But you can see right here, I got the new wet tires on. This is what the original tires were. Let's see if I can lean it up against there. So that's what the original tires were. These are bigger diameter. They seem to fit. These tires here aren't they're not a sticky tire, but they just don't work well in sand like I think these will. So that's about all I got to do on this for now. This is about it. I don't foresee doing anything else to it right away, so unless something comes up I really got to do, or at some point maybe I'll put the roll bar and convert it to the pickup looking thing. I haven't decided yet. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, if you will, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for future updates, and I will see you on my next hopefully UTV ride, side-by-side ride. So bye-bye for now. Okay, guys, these are the tires that originally came with it right here, and these are the ones that are going on it. And obviously these are the ones I've been running. I'll get this angled up here. There we go. You can see the ones I got running on it. You can see they're bigger tires. So I'm assuming these are probably going to be the same as these. Which they are. So we're going to change all these out and we'll go from there. I'll get back with you after I get everything changed out.